Imagine a bird that solves puzzles, uses tools, and even holds grudges. Today, we're exploring the astonishing intelligence of crows and ravens, often called the Einsteins of the avian kingdom. These remarkable corvids possess cognitive abilities that rival some mammals. Get ready to discover how brilliant these feathered masterminds truly are. One impressive feat is sophisticated tool use. New Caledonian crows, for instance, craft hooks from twigs to extract insects. They can even bend wire into custom tools, demonstrating a profound understanding of physics and problem solving, not just instinct. Beyond tools, their memory is astounding. Crows remember human faces, distinguishing between friendly and threatening individuals for years. They communicate this information to their flock, showcasing advanced social learning and complex group dynamics. What's more, these birds demonstrate future planning. Ravens will hide a treat not for immediate consumption, but to save it for a specific later situation. This ability to delay gratification and plan ahead is a hallmark of high intelligence. So, from crafting tools to remembering faces and planning ahead, crows and ravens are truly remarkable. Their intelligence challenges our understanding of the animal kingdom. What's the most surprising crow or raven ability to you? Share in the comments. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more incredible insights.